Hello and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I will unbox the car number 405 from the Fast and Furious Mix 3 Hot Wheels premium set, which is this 1970 custom Plymouth Roadrunner, and this looks so good. So let's just unbox it. So finally we have it out of the blister, and I can't even describe how good this looks. So it's a proper muscle car. Okay, so the color is called Hemi Orange, and we have the hood painted black, as well as it has the hood scoop, which looks really well. The front of the vehicle is well detailed with the headlights, and we have the tail lights as well. And I really like this gray lining over the windows and on the windshield and on the back window. We also got the door handle detailed, and the base has this metal finish, and it's sort of detailed. This looks very good. Yeah, so the wheels are called preferred series real riders. That's what they're called. It's chromed out. I don't know, this whole entire set is just a very good set from Hot Wheels in terms of the Fast and Furious set. So this was from the Fast and Furious Mix 3 set. I hope you liked it, and I will link the other castings from the set in the video. Make sure to watch them and subscribe to the channel for more diecast videos. Thank you.